the weather? Cum este vremea azi? Cum este vremea azi? How is the weather today? Let's see how is the weather. We have two options. Which option do you choose? First option, prima opțiune, e cald. E cald means it's warm. E însorit. It's sunny. E frumos. It's nice. The second option, a doua opțiune, e frig. It's cold. Plouă. It's raining. E urât. It's ugly. Which option do you choose? As you can see, today it's sunny. I will choose option A. Este is verb to be, long form. The short form we can say e. Usually when we speak, we use the short form and we will say e însorit, e frumos afară, e cald, plouă. Is the same thing, is the same verb, just this is the long and this is the short form. We can use this e also in writing and in speaking most of the time. Merci.